Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream without heavy cream. You'll only need 2 common ingredients and a blender to create a versatile substitute for many recipes. This easy method is perfect when you're out of heavy cream or prefer a homemade option. It works wonderfully in sauces, soups, and even some desserts, providing a rich texture and flavor. Let's get started with the simple steps. To begin, measure out 1 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. It's important to use whole milk for the best richness and texture in your homemade cream. Next, gently melt the butter until it's fully liquid, but not boiling hot. Combining room temperature milk with the melted butter helps prevent the mixture from separating, ensuring a smooth and creamy result. Now, let's move on to the blending process. Once your ingredients are ready, pour both the whole milk and the melted butter into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. The goal is to fully emulsify the butter into the milk, creating a smooth, homogeneous mixture. You'll notice the liquid thickening and becoming opaque, resembling the consistency of store-bought heavy cream. This step is crucial for achieving the desired texture. Your homemade cream is now ready to use. Store any unused portion in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 3 to 4 days. This versatile cream is excellent in savory dishes, adding richness to pasta sauces, creamy soups, or casseroles. You can also use it in some dessert recipes, though it won't whip like traditional heavy cream. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your easy, homemade cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.